It's day 9 of my Christmas countdown, and I'm back at Home Depot looking to take a stab at practical stocking stuffer suggestions for the DIYer. Now that I've got the floor, I'm going to begin in this section, which has you covered with many staple items for installers. Have the vinyl say with this 3-pack of 8-inch replacement razor blades by QEP. They're made of carbon steel construction and help you to quickly remove flooring and adhesive buildup. For $9.98, they keep your scrapers working like new. And if you've ever been called on the carpet to customize a tricky fit, this 6-inch contour gauge by QEP is a little slice of heaven. Just press it against the surface you'd like to replicate and lock it in place for tracing. You can keep a low profile and just say the accuracy is from years of experience. We won't grout you. Score big on this next product from QEP, a backerboard knife for $10.98. The slip-resistant grip is a feature you definitely won't take for granted. And how about adding this utility knife from Stanley? It's designed with an ergonomic grip and houses 10 blades in its onboard storage. It used to be marked at $13.97, but the price has been slashed down to $11.97. And I don't mean to pry, but couldn't the person on your list really use this 10-inch claw bar from DeWalt for $17.97, or this nail puller from Milwaukee for $19.97? Slipping either of these into your loved one's stocking is sure to give you leverage. Hope you enjoyed today's groundbreaking event. Make sure you're following to see the rest of the countdown.